Are we on? All right, so welcome back to the wonderful world of marketing. I'm Brad Kahn, your host. Yeah, I don't think I said that in the other one. Awesome. So let me talk about giving a little bit. So Microsoft's a really cool company. This is a company which has given more than $1 billion in employee gifts since its founding about 30 years ago. And the great thing about the company is we've got this amazing give tool. I mean, this is a company that doesn't just believe in giving, it actually gives you the tools to help make giving easier to do. The whole thing is built on Microsoft technology. The back end is built all on Microsoft Azure. Their database is, of course, Microsoft SQL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually walk through a match live right here. There's some personal financial stuff you'll see here, but it's just a small group of people. It's just the web. I think it'd be cool. I don't think anyone's going to notice. And we'll see if I have any money tomorrow. So I'm going to start right here on my screen. This is just my computer. This is a good example of the kinds of emails I get from my wife. This is my wife, Susan Kahn. She sent me an email with a link in it and her signature. So it's a close, loving relationship, mostly of flinging hashtags and links at each other. So this is basically her way of saying you need to make a donation to this show. So I'm going to click on that. What this is actually a show called Dogfight. Dogfight is a Pasek and Paul musical, very well received when it first appeared in New York. And my oldest daughter, Myrna, is actually now appearing in Dogfight in the lead role. And I've actually got a nice little post on that. So this is my daughter, Myrna, here. And she is starring with someone named Kyle Sherman, who's awesome. Let me just give you a little taste of that. Just take about a minute. And this is Myrna singing in the lead role in Dogfight.
Street lamp, dim glow, a light to blanket night like summer snow. We'll let it pour, just cover up whatever came before. And we go bum 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 bum. Don't know why I decided to come. Don't know why I decided to come.
Beautiful, very, very cool show. Anyway, so they're producing that, and so if I go to their Arts Alliance page, they've got an Indiegogo page, as most most theater folks do these days, and they've raised about half their goal so far, and you can donate at different levels. I would have encouraged them, if they're listening, to have had a $250 level, because I would have given it that level, but they only had up to $100. So I gave $100 to them, and I actually made that donation on the 14th of September. I didn't match it at the time, so if I match it, it actually helps them get closer to their goal. They'll actually be at 700 of their goal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go in to the matching tool, and you can see when I'm here, it recognizes me. It looks like some people having a really good time running. Apparently, they're chasing some cars. I'm not sure what's going on there. Of course, there's some coniferous trees, because there's a lot of coniferous trees around here. You can give money, you can give time. The company will donate $17 to the nonprofit that you donate your time to, which is, I think, unbelievably cool. There's, of course, a phone app for Give. And, of course, we use Yammer discussion groups to talk about giving and the different events that are coming up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give some money. So we're going to go in here. And so what I'm going to do is going to type in Northwestern University. That's where my daughter goes to school. And I see I've got a little list here. And so basically, any 501c anywhere is inside WWoM Give. There is Northwestern University in beautiful downtown Evanston, Illinois. I'm going to add that to the cart. You can see it's been added. And we're just going to go and we're going to go through the shopping process to finish this donation. So the gift has already been made. I gave them $100. And when I click return on this, you can see that it'll match it with cash. And then I can go in here and I can pick the 14th of September. That's when I gave the money. I can add more organizations if I want to, but I think I'm good there. And then I'll press continue. The cool thing is that you can give up to $15,000 that are matched by Microsoft, an amazing company. So I've now matched $100 to the Northwestern University to help student theater, and that's as simple as it is. It really doesn't, I'm kind of been talking and sort of waving my hands a bit here, that really takes about 30 seconds to really do it correctly, and it's a fantastic way to help out people. That's it for today. That's the tool, and what's really great about this is that it is not only easy, it's kind of fun. To my own team who's watching this, I'm super excited about Giving Campaign this year. Always one of my favorite times of the year. My personal mission is to help others succeed, and I love that giving is a way for me to help fulfill my own personal mission. And so you have to know what your own personal mission is and how this fits in, but it is a fantastically flexible and easy to use tool that I think is a really special and cool thing about this company. That's all for Wonderful World of Marketing. I'll see you soon.